Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipfunda. Our today's video is about the iPhone 16 Pro Max screen occasionally displaying glitch lines. So to resolve this error, let us look at a few steps which are: first is to turn off your phone. For this, you simply have to press the volume up button simultaneously with your power button until a slider appears. Slide it to turn off your phone and then restart your phone after a few minutes. The second step is a software update. Make sure that your phone is working on the recent version of iOS update. For this, go to the settings, tap on general and then click on software update. A software update removes any glitches and prevents bugs. The third step is that you need to repair your hardware. For this, you need to visit the Apple store and get your phone checked. You should also put a proper protection or a screen guard to your phone to prevent such problems. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.